how to use the Temu app. Voiceover script title, How to use the Temu app, Complete Guide for Beginners. Intro, new to Temu and not sure how to use the app? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Temu app to shop online. Step 1, download and open the app. First, download the Temu app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app. Step 2, sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, tap Sign In and enter your details. If not, create a new account using your email, phone number, or Google account. Step 3, browse or search products. On the home screen, you can scroll through categories and deals or use the search bar at the top to find specific products. Step 4, select a product. Tap on any product to view details, reviews, colors, and sizes. Make sure to check everything before buying. Step 5, add to cart. If you want to purchase it, tap Add to Cart. You can continue shopping and add more items. Step 6, place an order. When you're ready, go to your cart, review your items, then tap Checkout. Enter your shipping address and payment method. Step 7, track your order. After placing your order, go to Your Orders to check the status and track delivery updates. Step 8, manage account settings. In the Profile section, you can manage your addresses, payment methods, coupons, and order history. Outro. And that's it. That's how you can use the Temu app to shop, place orders, and manage your account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.